Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Paratama, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, GFGC, Gauri Bidanur. Welcome for the session 41. In this session, we are going to solve the problems on cash flow from investing activities. In the previous class, we solved the problems on determination of cash from operating activities. The objective of this chapter is familiarize the student with the cash flow statement as a tool for financial analysis. After this session, you are able to ascertain the cash from investing activities. See the problem. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities in the books of ABC Company Limited. Particulars 2018-2017. Goodwill 80,000, 1,20,000. Patents 80,000, 56,000. Building 1,60,000 each. Plant and machinery 4,80,000, 6 lakhs. 12% long-term investment 40,000, 64,000. Shares in A Limited 1,20,000 each. Additional information. During the year, the dividend received from A Limited 12%. A building was purchased as investment out of surplus which was let out for commercial purpose and rent of 16,000 was received. Patents written off to the extent of 16,000. Some patents were sold at a profit of 8,000. A machinery costing 64,000 was sold for 56,000. Charged depreciation on that 24,000. During the year, 12% investments were purchased for 80,000 rupees and some investments were sold at a profit of 8,000. Interest on investment for the year was received. First, calculation of machinery purchased. Opening value of machinery according to the problem 4,80,000 less written down value of machinery sold 40,000. Then we will get 4,40,000. Charged depreciation of machinery during the year 56,000. Deduct 56,000 from 4,40,000. Then we will get 3,84,000. Closing value of machinery according to the problem is 6 lakhs. 2,16,000 is purchase of machinery during the year. Second, calculation of sale of patents. Opening value of patent 80,000. Patents written off 16,000. Deduct 16,000 from 80,000. We have 64,000. Closing value of patents 56,000. Sale of patents during the year 8,000 and profit on sale of patents is 8,000. Total sale proceeds of patents is equal to 16,000. Calculation of sale of investment. Opening value of investment according to the problem 40,000. Purchase of investment during the year 80,000. Total 1,20,000 less closing value of investment 64,000. Then we will have 56,000 rupees cost of investment sold. Then add sale of investment during the year 8,000. Total sale proceeds of investment is equal to 64,000. Then calculate the cash flow from investing activities. Purchase of machinery during the year 2,16,000. Purchase of goodwill 40,000. Purchase of investment 80,000. The purchase of fixed assets, goodwill and investment is outflow of cash for rupees 3,36,000. Then inflow of cash from investing activities are sale of machine 56,000, sale of patent 16,000, sale of investment 64,000, interest received on investments 4,800, dividend received 14,400, rent received 16,000. The total of this 1,71,208 rupees. Deduct 1,71,208 from 3,36,000. Then we will get 1,64,800. This amount is treated as cash used in investing activities. See the second problem. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities. Investment 8 lakhs. Half of the investment was sold in 2017 at a profit of 50,000. Purchase of machinery 6 lakhs 20,000. Interest outstanding in 2016 was 15,000 and in 2017 10,000. Interest credited in profit and loss account for the year 2017 is 90,000. See the solution. Calculation of interest received in cash. Interest on investment credited in profit and loss account 90,000. To this add opening outstanding interest 15,000. We will get 1,05,000. Deduct closing outstanding interest 10,000. Interest received in cash is equal to 95,000. Calculation of cash flow from investing activities. Sale of investment half of 8 lakhs. It will come 4 lakhs plus profit on sale of investment 50,000. 4,50,000 is the outstanding amount. To this add interest on investment 95,000. It will come 5,45,000. This amount is inflow of cash. Purchase of machinery during the year 6,20,000. The difference between inflow of cash and outflow of cash is equal to 75,000. This amount is treated as net cash used in investing activities. Thank you very much for one and all.